Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Item number 1 is another Super Saver Kit, and this one is for you crocheters. That's right, it's a crochet kit, and it has a pattern in it that is called the Ripples to Go. Thus, we're calling it the Ripples to Go kit. This pattern was originally designed by Amanda Mannas, and I think it was originally knit out of stack of 6, and then we actually knit it out of the Zauberball Cotton from Schoppel Spring No, and it's absolutely gorgeous and a perfect accessory to wear in summertime on those cool evenings and so on. But this here is a sample. This is our colorway that's called Old Rome. You can see how it goes from a light pink to a little bit darker pink, a little bit peachy, and then red and so on. It has a lot of different shades in it, and the gradient is pretty darn long. So when you look at one of these balls, you can see this is all the same color. All of these are. And in our newsletter, we actually feature 4 balls of each, so you can see all the color variances for each color that the kit comes in. So Old Rome is one of the colorways behind me, and then this colorway here is called Sunny Side, and it has a lot of sunny yellow in it, as you can see, and then some pink, and then some teal. All these different colors are all going to be found in the Sunny Side colorway. By the way, this is a fingering weight cotton. It has about 460 yards to a 100 gram ball, and you're going to be getting 2 balls in your kit. Now, we have a third colorway too, so let's show you the third colorway. This one is actually called First Day of Spring. So, or first day of summer? Nope, first day of spring. And this is all found in this one colorway. So there's some orange, there's some peach, there's some pink, there's some mauve, there's some white, a little bit of everything. And once more, in the kit, you'll be receiving 2 balls, and you're going to receive one of our great swing hooks. This is called a swing hook. It is a crochet hook that has a special shape to it, and it was designed for ergonomics. Now, there are some people that, because of the way they crochet, they don't like these, and if you're one of them, I'm really, really sorry. But if you've never tried one of these before, they really are great, especially if you have any kind of arthritis or anything. We have had so many people write us that they were unable to crochet for years and years because they couldn't do it. Their hands couldn't hold the hook. Well, this hook they can hold, and they're back to crocheting. So if that's you, you might want to check out these hooks on our website as well. Or just get the kit and give it a shot. Each kit, 2 balls of yarn, 1 hook, all comes in this great little bag with a printed copy of the pattern. The pattern is written and it is charted, so you have everything there that you need, and all at a great savings. Item number 2 on our list. This is really interesting. We don't normally promote books in a foreign language, but this book here is written by a wonderful woman in Korea, and she works hand in hand with Gerhard Schoppel of Schoppel Wolle, using his predominantly the Zauberballs and so on to design beautiful, predominantly crochet patterns, but there are some knitted things in here. So you can see this piece on the front, this piece on the back has knitting and crochet involved. There's a substantial amount of patterns in here, and the photography is absolutely amazing. What is written in the book, however, is written in Chinese, Mandarin, but everything is charted. It's really well charted too. So if you're an experienced knitter and you know how to read a chart and you can look at a photo and get the general concept of what's going on, this book could be for you. And then I also know that we do have quite a few customers who do speak Mandarin or Chinese, and they would be able to understand the book. So there is this book. We have, oh yes, we have some signs. Item number 3, let's go on to item number 3. I've got a couple of our signs up there. It says, this is where love lives, and you have my heart. I think we have a total of 6 signs that are in our newsletter today. We have another one. There's this one that says, dear brain, please, and I can't read the rest because this is a no-no. When my children were small, they are old now. I shouldn't say old, but they're 33 and 35, I think. Anyways, you didn't say that word, so I still don't say it. But this is my motto, and I would think this would be my mugshot motto. and this is what represents the past year, I'll tell you that. So we do have the signs available. You can check those out. We have a new Maker's Hero. And our Maker's Hero this week is Judith Magarinos, is her name. She is local, and she has been knitting for years for charities, not only hats and scarves and shawls, but also sweaters, believe it or not. So we are going to be sending her one of our bags filled with goodies so that she can continue on her mission to help out. Now, if you are a charity knitter and you want to try something new and fun, our free pattern for this week is called a Twiddle Muff pattern. This is a Twiddle Muff. So a Twiddle Muff is actually made for those who have dementia and Alzheimer's. Sometimes it's also used for people with ADHD and so on, but they're predominantly meant for Alzheimer's and dementia patients. And what they do is they keep their hands, they tend to want to use their hands for tactile purposes a lot. It keeps their hands busy. So if you have buttons, it's great, you just want to make sure they're on really good. To put buttons on, there's a bell on this one. Although if the person's in a nursing home or something, that might drive people crazy. But there's other buttons on here. There's ribbons. Guess what? There's eyelash yarn. All the yarns that you probably have sitting around that you don't know what to do with anymore, they could all go into these Twiddle Muffs. And the more you use of that, and I would probably do it on the inside too, the more of a tactile experience that the person who actually gets the muff will have. So these are Twiddle Muffs. If you don't know where to donate them when you're done, we are happy to take them. We will donate them to charities that need them. And it's just really a great project. And they're not all gonna turn out exactly the same. But look at, there's big pom-poms on that one. I actually just sort of want to use this, but they're a really fun piece to knit for charity. And then I think everything else that we have, oh, well, we do have our fabrics. I just want to bring up, I gotta talk quick because I'm only allowed 10 minutes or less. Otherwise, something happens to our subtitles. I'm not sure what. We have linen on sale this week. That's right, linen, 20% off. We have 3 different ones. We have that linen flax color there. We have this beautiful purple. And then there's another one that is also a off-white color. And those are all 20% off. Want to remind you, next week we have a couple events going on. We have the beginning brioche class, if you're interested in taking that. And if you're interested in weaving or you would like to join us on our weave-in, that's going to be Thursday night, April 1st. That's right, next Thursday is April 1st. Until next Tuesday, we've got the weekend in between. I wish you a lot of fun. Choose to be happy, do something creative, stay safe, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Ciao.